Question 1. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Lysosome. The correct answer is B. Mitochondria. Question 2. The basic structural and functional unit of life is A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Organ system. The correct answer is C. Cell. Question 3. Which biomolecule acts as a genetic material in most organisms? A. RNA. B. Protein. C. DNA. D. Carbohydrate. The correct answer is C. DNA. Question 4. The process of conversion of glucose into pyruvate is called A. Krebs cycle. B. Glycolysis. C. Fermentation. D. Photosynthesis. The correct answer is B. Glycolysis. Question 5. Which hormone regulates blood glucose level? A. Thyroxine. B. Insulin. C. Adrenaline. D. Growth hormone. The correct answer is B. Insulin. Question 6. The site of photosynthesis in plant cells is A. Mitochondria. B. Chloroplast. C. Nucleus. D. Ribosome. The correct answer is B. Chloroplast. Question 7. Which phase of mitosis involves separation of sister chromatids? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. The correct answer is C. Anaphase. Question 8. Which tissue is responsible for transport of water in plants? A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Cambium. D. Cortex. The correct answer is B. Xylem. Question 9. The functional unit of kidney is A. Neuron. B. Nephron. C. Alveolus. D. Glomerulus. The correct answer is B. Nephron. Question 10. Which blood cells help in clotting of blood? A. RBC. B. WBC. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. The correct answer is C. Platelets. Question 11. The fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane was proposed by A. Watson and Crick. B. Singer and Nicholson. C. Darwin. D. Schleiden. The correct answer is B. Singer and Nicholson. Question 12. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B1. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is C. Vitamin C. Question 13. The opening and closing of stomata is regulated by A. Epidermal cells, B. Guard cells, C. Mesophyll cells, D. Root hairs. The correct answer is B. Guard cells. Question 14. Which enzyme is present in saliva? A. Pepsin, B. Trypsin, C. Amylase, D. Lipase. The correct answer is C. Amylase. Question 15. Which stage of meiosis shows crossing over? A. Prophase I, B. Metaphase I, C. Anaphase I, D. Telophase I. The correct answer is A. Prophase I. Question 16. The process by which plants lose water in the form of vapor is called A. Respiration, B. Transpiration, C. Guttation, D. Diffusion. The correct answer is B. Transpiration. Question 17. Which structure connects muscle to bone? A. Ligament, B. Tendon, C. Cartilage, D. Joint. The correct answer is B. Tendon. Question 18. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. Question 19. Which part of the brain controls voluntary actions? A. Medulla, B. Cerebellum, C. Cerebrum, D. Pons. The correct answer is C. Cerebrum. Question 20. The structural unit of chromosome is A. Nucleotide, B. Gene, C. Chromatid, D. Centromere. The correct answer is B. Gene. Question 21. Which plant hormone promotes cell elongation? A. Auxin, B. Cytokinin, C. Ethylene, D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is A. Auxin. Question 22. Which of the following is a polysaccharide? A. Glucose, B. Fructose, C. Sucrose, D. Starch. The correct answer is D. Starch. Question 23. The normal pH of human blood is approximately A. 6.8, B. 7.0, C. 7.4, D. 8.0. The correct answer is C. 7.4. Question 24. Which organ stores bile? A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Gallbladder, D. Duodenum. The correct answer is C. Gallbladder. Question 25. Which type of RNA carries amino acids to ribosome? A. mRNA, B. tRNA, C. rRNA, D. snRNA. The correct answer is B. tRNA. Question 26. The site of fertilization in human female is A. Uterus, B. Ovary, C. Fallopian tube, D. Cervix. The correct answer is C. Fallopian tube. Question 27. Which blood group is known as universal donor? A, B, C, AB, D, O. The correct answer is D, O. Question 28. Which structure in leaf helps in gaseous exchange? A. Veins, B. Stomata, C. Cuticle, D. Petiole. The correct answer is B. Stomata. Question 29. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? A. Goiter, B. Rickets, C. Scurvy, D. Beriberi. The correct answer is A. Goiter. Question 30. The theory of evolution by natural selection was proposed by A. Lamarck, B. Darwin, C. Mendel, D. Wallace. The correct answer is B. Darwin. Question 31. Which chamber of heart receives oxygenated blood from lungs? A. Right atrium, B. Right ventricle, C. Left atrium, D. Left ventricle. The correct answer is C. Left atrium. Question 32. The site of protein synthesis in cell is A. Mitochondria, B. Golgi apparatus, C. Ribosome, D. Lysosome. The correct answer is C. Ribosome. Question 33. Which hormone induces flowering in plants? A. Auxin, B. Florigen, C. Gibberellin, D. Cytokinin. The correct answer is B. Florigen. Question 34. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? A. is vein, B. capillary, C. artery, D. venule. The correct answer is C. artery. Question 35. Which phase of cell cycle is longest? A. G1 phase, B. S phase, C. G2 phase, D. M phase. The correct answer is A. G1 phase. Question 36. Which part of eye controls the amount of light entering? A. Retina, B. Cornea, C. Iris, D. Lens. The correct answer is C. Iris. Question 37. The movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane is called A. Diffusion, B. Active transport, C. Osmosis, D. Imbibition. The correct answer is C. Osmosis. Question 38. Which cell organelle is involved in detoxification? A. Mitochondria. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. C. Ribosome. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question 39. Which type of immunity is obtained through vaccination? A. Natural passive. B. Artificial active. C. Natural active. D. Artificial passive. The correct answer is B. Artificial active. Question 40. The smallest bone in human body is A. Stapes. B. Malleus. C. Incus. D. Femur. The correct answer is A. Stapes. Question 41. Which plant tissue provides mechanical support? A. Parenchyma. B. Collenchyma. C. Sclerenchyma. D. Phloem. The correct answer is C. Sclerenchyma. Question 42. The process of formation of male gametes is called A. Oogenesis. B. Spermatogenesis. C. Fertilization. D. Cleavage. The correct answer is B. Spermatogenesis. Question 43. Which enzyme digests proteins in stomach? A. Trypsin. B. Amylase. C. Pepsin. D. Lipase. The correct answer is C. Pepsin. Question 44. Which structure connects to neurons? A. Axon. B. Dendrite. C. Synapse. D. Myelin sheath. The correct answer is C. Synapse. Question 45. Which nitrogenous base is absent in RNA? A. Adenine. B. Uracil. C. Thymine. D. Guanine. The correct answer is C. Thymine. Question 46. The transpiration pull theory was given by A. Dickson and Joly. B. Darwin. C. Priestley. D. Mendel. The correct answer is A. Dickson and Joly. Question 47. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium? A. Typhoid. B. Malaria. C. Dengue. D. Cholera. The correct answer is B. Malaria. Question 48. Which hormone is secreted by thyroid gland? A. Insulin. B. Adrenaline. C. Thyroxine. D. Glucagon. The correct answer is C. Thyroxine. Question 49. The process of copying genetic information from DNA to RNA is called A. Translation. B. Replication. C. Transcription. D. Mutation. The correct answer is C. Transcription. Question 50. Which part of brain maintains posture and balance? A. Cerebrum. B. Medulla. C. Cerebellum. D. Hypothalamus. The correct answer is C. Cerebellum. Question 51. Which plant hormone causes fruit ripening? A. Auxin. B. Ethylene. C. Gibberellin. D. Cytokinin. The correct answer is B. Ethylene. Question 52. Which structure in bacteria helps in locomotion? A. Pili. B. Flagella. C. Capsule. D. Ribosome. The correct answer is B. Flagella. Question 53. Which component of blood helps in immunity? A. RBC. B. Platelets. C. WBC. D. Plasma. The correct answer is C. WBC. Question 54. Which part of flower develops into fruit? A. Ovule. B. Ovary. C. Petal. D. Sepal. The correct answer is B. Ovary. Question 55. The scientific name of human is A. Homo erectus. B. Homo habilis. C. Homo sapiens. D. Homo neanderthalensis. The correct answer is C. Homo sapiens.